Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something a little different. We are reviewing CyberBrick. And for those of you that don't know what CyberBrick is, it is a way that you can add a remote control and create a lot of cool gadgets. And a special thanks to PCBWay for providing the printed parts for today's video projects. Ordering from PCBWay is very simple. Just go to PCBWay.com and they have many different services to pick from, but on this video we use their 3D printing services. All you have to do is upload the files that you need, select for the parameters that you want, how many you want of them, and the quantity, and they make it really simple. Something that I really like about the PCBWay ordering process was they actually noticed two problems with the files that I had uploaded. The first issue they noticed was regarding wall thickness. A few of the parts were very thin. I did accept the risk that they may break, but they ended up turning out great, as you can see here. The second issue that they advised about was regarding some parts that I had split, but I forgot to re-merge back together. So you can see the parts in red, yellow, and green here. There's supposed to be one part, so they just had me merge it back together, but I'm really glad that they noticed these things. It really shows that PCBWay cares about the prints that are being sent to them. All in all, I had a very good experience with PCBWay. They made the process easy, had quality throughout, and delivered very quickly. Thanks again to PCBWay for sponsoring this video and making this content possible. I was a little surprised when I got the CyberBrick box in the mail. On the website, as you can see from this screenshot, it's in a beautiful presentation. It looks amazing, but when you get it, it's just a box full of bags, which is totally okay. The bags weren't really labeled, but it's pretty easy to tell which part you're looking for. It's not too difficult. They all look pretty different. So I was a little bit surprised to see that. That's just a minor issue on the CyberBrick itself. I wish it did come with a nicer box, but at the end of the day, these parts will be used, and they're not going to sit in the box forever, so it's no big deal. If you want to skip over the assembly of these prints, head to the 8-minute mark. Setting up the CyberBrick projects are pretty easy. They do have a desktop and a mobile app. I'm using the mobile app today, and all you really have to do is turn on each device, pair them with your phone or computer. You can go through an update process here, as you can see. And then something really cool about the CyberBrick controller is there is a switch to go into kind of a mode 1, mode 2, so you are able to link up two different devices to the same controller, which is awesome. But in the future I do plan on printing more controllers and more cars. Overall, I really like the CyberBrick idea. I'm excited to print more props for the forklift, more cars, more vehicles, and more interesting things that I find on Bambu. I also have a lot more 3D print content coming out this year. Please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.